How to get pre-approved for a mortgage in 2023. Are you tired of being turned down for loans and struggling to find a home that fits your budget? Do you want to have the upper hand in real estate negotiations and prove to sellers that you're a serious and qualified buyer? Look no further than mortgage pre-approval. Pre-qualification and pre-approval may sound similar, but the latter packs a punch. While pre-qualification can give you a general idea of what financing you might be able to obtain, it often involves a soft credit pull and is not a thorough evaluation of your financial situation. Mortgage pre-approval, on the other hand, requires a deeper examination of your finances, and demonstrates to lenders and sellers that you're capable of securing the loan you need. By undergoing this process, you'll know exactly how much you're eligible to borrow and what loan terms you can expect. Don't waste any more time and opportunities by settling for pre-qualification. Invest in the power of mortgage pre-approval and secure your dream home with confidence. Ready to take the leap into home ownership, but feeling a little lost in the mortgage maze? Have no fear, because we've got the tips you need to navigate this exciting process with ease. Know your credit score. Your credit score is like the secret ingredient in your mortgage recipe. A good score can make all the difference in getting approved for the loan you need. So, check your report at least 3 months before you apply and make sure to pay your bills on time and keep your revolving accounts under control. Stack that down payment. The more money you can put down, the less you'll have to borrow. Lenders usually require a minimum of 3 to 20% of the purchase price, so start saving. Ask for gifts from generous family members, or check out government programs like the CalHFA Down Payment Assistance Program. Keep your debt-to-income ratio in check. Lenders want to make sure you're not biting off more than you can chew when it comes to loan payments. Your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, shows how much of your monthly income goes towards paying debts. Aim for a DTI of 43% or less to show that you're financially responsible. Find the right mortgage program. Think of finding the right mortgage program like finding the right pair of shoes. It can make all the difference. At Premier Home Financing, we offer different types of mortgages with varying terms. Consider interest rates, length of term, prepayment penalties, and fees when making your decision. Get pre-approved. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is like having a backstage pass to the home buying process. You'll know exactly how much you can borrow, and sellers will feel confident that your financing is secure. All you'll need to provide is proof of income, a list of debts, bank statements, and proof of identification. Easy peasy. Buying a home is a big deal, and there are several important factors to consider when applying for a mortgage. Let's dive in. Closing costs. These sneaky fees can sneak up on you and bite you in the wallet. They can range from 1% to 8% of the total purchase price, so make sure to budget accordingly. Mortgage interest rates. The higher your credit score, the lower your debt-to-income ratio, the better interest rate you'll qualify for. Simple as that. Down payment. Depending on the type of loan you choose, you may need anywhere from 0% to 20% of the total purchase price as a down payment. So, save up and make sure you have enough cash on hand. Debt payments. The lender will take a close look at your monthly debt payments, so make sure to pay off any outstanding debts before applying for a mortgage. This will help you qualify for the best rates and maximize your loan eligibility. Budgeting. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. When buying a home, make sure to create a budget and stick to it. Research different lenders, understand closing costs, and factor in all of your other expenses such as taxes, insurance, HOA fees, maintenance costs, and more. So, there you have it. By keeping these important factors in mind, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proud homeowner. Home buying, a guide to choosing the right mortgage lender. Looking to buy a house? Well, you'll need to find the right mortgage lender first. Mortgage brokers, the superheroes of the home buying world, can help you compare different loan options from various lenders and find the best deal that suits your needs. Just make sure you choose a licensed and experienced broker, someone who knows the industry inside and out. Loan officers, on the other hand, are like personal trainers for home buyers. They'll guide you through the entire loan process, from pre-qualifying you to closing the deal. They'll even review your financial documents, check your credit, and offer tips on how to boost your score. Got pre-approved? Congrats! You now have an approval letter that can last up to 90 days. Time to start house hunting. But remember, pre-approval is crucial in getting the best loan and gives you an edge in negotiations with sellers. At Premier Home Financing, we're a mortgage broker company that connects you to the largest wholesale lenders in the country. We offer a wide range of home loans, from first-time homebuyer programs to loans for homeowners and real estate investors. Apply today and start the journey to homeownership.